Let's take a look at Max Speeding Rod's intercooler. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for all of your input on Instagram, and PM me on Instagram about the rear mounted turbo that I want to do on Green Bean. But also a lot of you wanted to have a more in-depth look at Max Speeding Rod's equipment as far as the intercooler and their turbo. So I'm going to break this down to two different videos. I'm going to do the intercooler first. I don't think this is the intercooler I'm going to be using for this project because this is an air-to-air. I think I want one of their air-to-water intercoolers where I can mount anywhere to better packaging. But we're going to see about that. But what I wanted them to do is send me the air-to-air one because I want to see how good the construction is on this cheap intercooler. I'm not saying cheap. I'm saying low-priced, high-quality intercooler. So that people have a play on words on that. And also, I want to thank Max Speeding Rods, and this is not a sponsored video. I got to make that clear to everybody. Yes, they do give me the parts, but I don't take a dime for them. And the agreement that we have is that they will give me the part that I request, and I have to be completely honest. That means that they can't tell me what to say, what I can put in the videos or anything like that, and they understand that. But you got to stand from the point of their companies that, again, they make thousands of parts, and the performance part of their business is a very small percentage. So if you look at their website, they sell a shit ton of stuff. So they got into the turbochargers, all the intercoolers, the coilovers that they're known for, and you know, they sell thousands of these turbos. They sell thousands of these intercoolers. And I hear people on the sounding board saying, oh, this is junk, this is not good quality. But I have to kind of like take that with a grain of salt, because from what I'm seeing from them and the stuff that they're sending to me, it's pretty good quality. You know, you can't, I mean, you can't fudge on that. So let's get into this. You be the judge of it. This is the part number. I have to say, Max Speeding Rods, your packaging isn't so good. I mean, it's not bad. You know, it's pretty decently packed up, but I would like to see just a little bit better packaging on this, especially on your turbo stuff. But, you know, it came in one piece, which I'm happy. Let's get into it. It's got a really nice lip on here for your hoses. Tanks are really good. The welding is pretty damn good, man. I mean, who or what welded this? Because this is done by hand. This was pretty decent. We're going to test all that stuff, you know, for pressure testing, but over here, this is optional, I guess, to screw it down. You know, it has two areas where you can make brackets for it. I mean, it is really pretty decent quality. Really decent quality. So yeah, in conclusion, I mean, look at my discount code. Obviously, I'll put the links in the description for this particular intercooler, but they also sell different types of intercoolers. And if this is an indication of the quality that they have, I mean, yeah, I mean, this is products like this are coming from overseas that are just getting better and better and better. And yeah, I mean, we're going to see if we're going to use this for one of the projects. Maybe I might even upgrade the intercooler for this car and stick it in the nose, because this intercooler has a double-ended, you know, in and out on the same side intercooler on it. But yeah, I don't know. That's crazy. Really good. Have a nice day.
Bring the funk back.